Hey guys, little update of the fake twins. After 2 weeks of running fully autonomous, simply because we were not here during 2 weeks, and in fact, out of somebody checking times to times to be sure that everything is going fine, and also the webcam to give you a little look on what's going on. We were not here, so no maintenance, nothing. And what did we get at the end? So a little bit some dirty tank. Interestingly, I would say this here, the Discus one, you see? So this is normal, expected because of the biomass generating a lot of nitrate, and also the lightning. The new lightning are quite strong, focused here typically. And here a little bit also, not so much on the glass. If you check the glass, they are not so much dirty, but here on the bottom you can see this little what's the name already? It's not brown algae, this is dust algae. Dust algae, there is another name, I forgot it. So by the way, all the monitoring did work perfectly. I'm quite happy about, you see the pH. This is a very high pH thanks to the KH and oxygenation of the water in the sump and also on the surface. And here the pH didn't drop down, so it's good. And this is also thanks to oxygenation, I would say. So here a little thing. As you can see, the surface is not as clean as it is with the Discus. And the simple reason, this is security overflow or skimmer overflow. Here, the water level is not high enough, so I should check in the filter what's going on. Maybe the water level is not so good. Let me see. No, it's perfect. Water level has been maintained properly, so I think it's just a little parameter here or here. I have to check. Other than that, we do have all the fish. This is the most important. I haven't mentioned it. Meaning that we have the 27 Tropheus Red Rainbow F1 juveniles. And they are swimming quite differently. This time they are swimming in all directions. It seems that the more dominant already started to have their territory. One more time, this is not at all the final decor, as you can guess. This is temporary one in order for some fish to get some hiding place. Nevertheless, and here this is a little test on this plant. You saw the pH, so maybe its temperature is 25, 26, and this is great for plant. But for such high pH and a lot of mineral in the water, it's not so easy to find a proper plant. And this one seems to be not so bad, I would say. So you see all these young fish quite healthy. Here in the Discus tank, as you can maybe detected it already, the wild pair is breeding again, laying some eggs. Here you have the F1 also with some eggs, and I haven't checked it yet, but I'm quite sure that I do have some eggs with the Hellcat fish as well. And here in the growing tank, everything seems to be fine. I mean, the automatic feeder is here, temperature is fine. I haven't tested the water yet, but I think I won't get any surprise. A little bit more nitrate here, and here nitrate are just starting, and this dust algae shouldn't be there, because in fact I have some silicate absorber over there and some phosphate absorber. This is a two element not so complicated to absorb in your tank over time, I would say. And the dust algae, it's supposed to be when you have some phosphate or silicate. So interestingly, I will check it. You see the surface, as I told you. If the surface skimmer is not doing its job, then you reduce the gas exchange with the aquarium, but since you saw we have aeration directly in the moving bed and in the sump, the pH and also the oxygen level in the water are fine. So I guess that's all for today. I'm quite happy that anything wrong did happen, and that all the fishes are here. It's nice to see them again, healthy as they are. And that's all for today. Hope everything is going fine at your place, guys. Ciao!